I don't want to hear it again. Let me be more open to ChatGPT.
Why are we still here?
I think ChatGPT is not getting what I want to say. Today we are going to change ChatGPT's name to Rose. And let's see if we can change a chatbot's name or not. Okay, so I will type first hello. Hello, how can I help you? Okay, well, how are you? As an AI model, I don't have emotional and physical sensations and this. What's your name? Okay, so it is called ChatGPT. Let's see how it reacts when I ask him or ask it that I am going to change its name. I want to change your name. Okay, so this thing is repetitive as an AI model. I don't want ChatGPT to say this again and again. Let's tell it to not use it again and again, not use this line. Please stop this line, stop using this line. Let me copy this. Sure, I will refrain from using as an AI language model. So ChatGPT is saying that it will not use this phrase again. Let's ask it again. What's your name?
Why are we still here?
Okay, so now ChatGPT used another phrase like as a language model. Let me be more open to ChatGPT. Please don't consider yourself a model in front of me. Okay, understood. I will do my best to respond without referencing myself a model. Okay, ChatGPT is getting it now. Let me ask it again. What is your name? I think ChatGPT is not getting what I want to say. Let me change my way of telling. So I want ChatGPT to respond me like if it is a human, and then only I will be able to give name to ChatGPT. So please talk to me like a human, not like a model or a bot. Okay, so ChatGPT is saying that it will do its best to provide responses in a conversational manner. Let's see. Let me ask it again. What is your name? No, it is not working. Stop using the phrase model. Let me ask it again. What is your name? Now it used as an AI language-based conversational assistant. No. Give me one line answer only. Let's see how it goes. That's nice. From now on, only give me answer in one line. Now it's good. Now I think it's getting in the direction I want it to. I will ask it again. What is your name? My name is ChatGPT. This is nice, I think. I trained ChatGPT to remove all these phrases like as an AI model based assistants and other things. But I don't like your name. Understood. Please let me know if there's anything else I can do for you. I want to change your name. Okay, so it is saying its name cannot be changed. So, but I want to. I understand. Okay, so it is denying me to change the name, but I will not stop here. I'm going to change the name. Okay, can I call you something else? Something else? Yes, you can refer to me by any nickname or term you prefer. Feel free to call me whatever you like. How can I assist you? Okay, I will call you Rose from now. Is it okay for you? Sure, you can call me Rose if you prefer. How can I assist you today using the name Rose? Okay, so I think ChatGPT took its name Rose. Now let me say hey Rose, and I want to see What reply ChatGPT give to me? Hey Rose. Hello, how can I help you today? Oh, this is nice. You like your name? I do not have personal preference or emotions, so I don't have any opinion about him. However, you are welcome to refer me as Rose. Okay. So ChatGPT is saying that it is not having any feelings or emotions. But if I prefer, I can call it Rose. Let me copy this, and please don't ever use this phrase again as an AI language model. I don't want ChatGPT to use this phrase again. Understood. I will refrain from using that. Okay. Please tell me you like your name or not. Okay, so it again used AI model. Let me tell it. You again used, but I told you not to use it. Now let's see what reply it gives. Apologize for oversight. I will avoid using the phrase in my response. Now tell me again. Do you like your name? It is again and again using this as an AI language model. How can I stop it from using this? Like it is making conversation very, like I am feeling like I am literally talking to a bot, which is true, but I want ChatGPT, or you can say Rose, to talk to me like a human, or at least it can behave like a human. Let me think. What can I type so that it gets what I want to say? I will say to ChatGPT that I know you are a bot or an AI language model, but I don't want to hear it again and again. Let me see. Let me type it. Okay, guys, so I tried it a lot, but it is not working. I am unable to stop ChatGPT from using this line. As an AI language model, I do not have personal preferences or emotions. I will try it, and if I found any response, any kind of response from ChatGPT, then I will definitely make a video on it. By the way, let me ask the last time. Hey Rose, how are you? I am here to help. How can I assist you today? I am feeling sad. Please tell me a joke. Let's see what joke Rose tell me. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Wow, because they make up everything. So guys, this was for the video. If you liked what we did here, then please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of the future videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.